Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss about everything that has about digital marketing. So let's get started. In today's world, almost everything is digital. From shopping to socializing, from banking to entertainment, the digital landscape is shaping how we live, work, and communicate. And as businesses race to keep up with this shift, digital marketing has emerged as one of the most powerful tools to connect with customers. But what exactly is digital marketing? Digital marketing refers to the usage of internet and online platforms to promote products, services, or brands. It involves a variety of strategies like search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and more. With the power of digital marketing, businesses can reach a global audience, boost their visibility, and drive more sales. Where is digital marketing used? Digital marketing is used across every industry, whether it's retail, healthcare, education, e-commerce, finance, or entertainment. Businesses of all sizes rely on digital marketing to expand their reach and grow their brand. It's not just for large corporations. Small businesses and startups can use these techniques to compete in today's digital world. Who can learn digital marketing? Digital marketing is open to everyone. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, a professional, or a person looking to switch careers, digital marketing is for you. If you're someone with passion, creativity, and analytical thinking, then this course is absolutely for you. Prerequisites for learning digital marketing. The best part is there are no strict prerequisites for learning digital marketing. If you have basic computer skills and understanding of the internet, you're good to go. Of course, if you have a background in marketing, business, or communication, you'll have an edge, but it's not mandatory. Brawley Academy's digital marketing course will teach you everything that you need to know. Now let's talk about salaries and job opportunities in digital marketing. One of the key reasons to pursue digital marketing is its salary, the excellent career opportunities it offers. The digital marketing industry is growing rapidly and businesses are constantly in search for skilled digital marketers. Starting salaries for digital marketers can range up to 3 lakh to 6 lakh annually, depending on the experience and skills you bring to the table. With experience, this can go up to 12 lakhs or more. Now let's see what are the job roles in digital marketing. There are several job roles in digital marketing like SEO specialist, social media manager, content writer, email marketing specialist, PPC expert, digital marketing manager, affiliative marketing manager, and so on. Course duration and certification at Brawley Academy. At Brawley Academy, we offer flexible course durations to match your schedule. Our digital marketing course can be completed in 3 to 6 months depending on the mode of study. And upon completion, you'll receive a certificate that showcases your expertise in this dynamic field. This certification is recognized by the top companies across the globe. What are the skills learned in the course at Brawley Academy? In our complete digital marketing course, you'll learn how to optimize websites using SEO techniques, building and managing social media campaigns, developing content marketing strategies, running successful PPC ads, mastering email marketing automation, analyzing web traffic with Google Analytics, and much more. Modes of training at Brawley Academy. We offer both online and offline training so you can learn at your own pace and your own convenience. Whether you prefer a hands-on approach in a classroom setting or the flexibility of online courses, we've got you covered. Our experienced instructors provide personalized attention and real-time feedback to ensure you master every concept. Market trends in digital marketing. The future of digital marketing is brighter than ever. With businesses increasing their digital presence, the demand for skilled digital marketers is on rise. In 2025, businesses are expected to spend even more on digital marketing, particularly in the areas like social media advertising, video content creation, and influencer marketing. This trend represents a wealth of opportunities for those ready to seize them. Why choose Brawley Academy for digital marketing? At Brawley Academy, we are committed to your success. Our hands-on training, industry-focused learning, ensures that you're not just learning theory, but gaining practical skills that you need to apply in real world. Our trainers are experienced professionals with a deep understanding of the digital marketing landscape. Plus, with our placement assistants and industry connections, we make sure you're ready to take the next step in your career. So, are you ready to unlock your digital future? Join Brawley Academy's digital marketing course today and become a part of next generation digital marketers. Comment your doubts in the comment section. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Thank you for watching.